What is that around your neck?
Yeah.
It's a lei. You got leis to check in. Welcome to South Maui. We are staying at the Grand Wailea. We're doing a little bit of a staycation, but let's show you just a great day in Wailea. Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And this is the Hawaii Vacation Guide. And check out this view. What? I get it. This is our first time here. We're doing a staycation. We wanted to come here for a while. This place is, it's a fancy one, right? It's a 5-star resort, like a lot of the resorts in Wailea. It's pretty expensive, over like $700 a night for a room. But all the rooms are ocean facing, like those ones behind me right there. There's multiple levels. They have big rooms. They're about 640 square feet for the basic sized room. And then you can get like suites that are up to like 740 and above. The rooms are nice. A condo, the place is starting to feel a little old, little dated. It was an Astoria property. Hilton bought it in 2006. I think it's time for an upgrade to this place. The location, you can't beat it. It's right in Wailea, central Wailea. That's why the Shops of Wailea is just right down the road. It's right smack center of Wailea Beach, which is a beautiful beach. There are big rooms, big bathrooms in there. That big tub, Henry's gonna love tonight for bath time. And this is a very kid-friendly resort because it's got an epic swimming pool, and that's where we're going to go after the Shops of Wailea.
Yeah.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome.
Woo! First up today is grab a few snacks for Henry. We're going to hop in the car, 3-minute drive to the Shops at Wailea. It's also a 17-minute walk from here, just along the beach boardwalk, so it's super convenient to get to. Shops at Wailea is a nice stop for quick food because there's like an ABC country market there, plus a lot of other restaurants, good happy hour spots, and lots of nice shops. They just remodeled it. Let's go take a look. Okay, I'm sweating real bad. It is time to hit this epic pool of the Grand Wailea. Henry wants to go do what? Where do you want to go at the pool?
Lazy River, Mommy.
Are you ready for the pool?
Yeah.
Lazy River.
Lazy River.
So there's so much to do here. You got stand-up paddle rental, you got snorkeling out front. You have the adult-only pool, the hibiscus pool for 18 years and up. But of course, we're heading to the pool, the kid pool, because that is a big one. There it is. There it is. I know, I'm still wearing my leg because I'm on a staycation right now, so leave me alone. Welcome to the Grand Wailea Kids Pool. This is a full-out water park. It is 9 individual pools on 6 levels, as a lava tube water slide that gets you 22 miles per hour and is 14 seconds long, as a water elevator shut down during COVID right now, as a rope swing like the one behind me, and it has a lazy river. Henry's gonna have a great time here. Oh, and there's a kids beach for Henry too, a little man-made kids area with sand, which he loves to play in. And it is right next to the ocean, so you can sit at the pool and have your ocean view. Let's not forget, the Grand Wailea is right on Wailea Beach, so that's always there too. It's a nice place. Let's go.
Family float down the river.
This is the life. Okay, off to the beach. Oh, there it is. There's the Grand Wailea. There's the beach. There's the Grand Wailea. There's the beach.
tired day.
Yeah. Welcome to our customer service center at the Grand Wailea. Audible on dinner. We were gonna go to Monkey Pod Kitchen because they got a great happy hour. It's like, you know, 50% off their pizzas and stuff. But a new place just opened up by a local chef. It's called Wailea Kitchen. So we thought we'd give it a shot. It's not vegan, but they do their best to be like very earth friendly, good conscious, good food. They kind of have a saying, if the ship stopped coming to Maui, you'd still be able to come here for dinner. It's pretty cool. We like that. So we'll give it a shot. And it's 25% off a happy hour. So I'm always looking for a happy hour deal. Woo! Bee's Knees Mai Tai. See a Mai Tai like this on the menu, can't say no.
Cheers.
Cheers to a good beach day, to Wailea. Coconut vegan ice cream. Yeah?
Is it cold?
A little cold for you? How many thumbs up? 5 thumbs up. 5, 10. We got 10. We got 10 thumbs up. We're gonna go snorkeling. Sun isn't up yet. We gotta wake up Henry. Let's go. You ready to go for a boat ride?
There's gonna be a big sailboat with a pontoon.
2 big pontoons, yeah. 2 big pontoons. And guess what they're going to serve this morning? Hot chocolate. This is it. The sun's starting to come up over Haleakala right now. Why are we up at 5:45 in the morning? It's like 6 a.m. right now. Why are we up? Well, we are going snorkeling with Kai Kanani, and we're pretty excited about it because we get lots of hot chocolate, we get cinnamon rolls, and we get to go out to Molokini before anybody else gets to go out there. So come along with us. This is going to be fun. So close. He's coming with the hot chocolate, bud. Quick snorkel tutorial by the experts. We're here at Molokini right now. We got 45 minutes to snorkel. Everybody's super eager to get in. They went from looking pretty miserable and tired this morning to everyone's super excited. So what's great about Molokini is it's year-round, excellent visibility, like up to 200 feet, where there's some better reefs around the island, like Lanai, Molokai, and other parts of Maui, but it's not year-round. So that's why Molokini, like, there's a lot of hype, a lot of snorkel tours come out here, and is it really nice? And I think it is pretty nice. It's really nice. And especially when you're the first one here in the morning, the waters are nice and calm, the trade winds haven't picked up yet. It's a nice time to come out here. This is a good snorkel tour. I can see him big time.
See him from the boat. There's a turtle right over there. The Hawaiian green sea turtles.
Woo!
These turtles are awesome. They are huge. They are not shy. They are protected by state and federal laws from harassment, which means no riding the turtles, no high-fiving the turtles, no hugging, kissing, licking, or touching the turtles in any way. You gotta get them spaced 10 feet, 3 meters, at least. That's 2 adult body lengths. All right, so that was probably my most favorite trip to Molokini so far. That was such a wonderful, wonderful trip. We enjoyed it so much. Kai Kanani, outstanding experience. So they have 2 trips to Molokini every single day. Click the description down below. We give you all the details, how to book, how to have your own fantastic experience. Thanks so much for watching.